Hi friends, welcome to today's video SAP Business Technology Platform or SAP BTP Learning Plan. This SAP BTP Learning Plan covers the key topics required for SAP Basis Consultants, Integration Consultants, BTP Solution Architects, and BTP Application Developers to learn SAP BTP. We begin with an introduction to SAP BTP. In this section, we will explore what BTP is, its evaluation from SAP NetWeaver Cloud to BTP, how its services are organized into five pillars, and the various ways to access BTP. Next section is provisioning of BTP services. Here we will look at the licensing models BTP offers, explore available services in the SAP Discovery Center, and see how the estimator tool help us calculate the costs for our usage. Before setting up the BTP accounts, let us get familiar with some fundamentals like hyperscalers, why choosing the right reason matters when creating sub-accounts, the environments available in the multi-cloud model, and how service plans are added through entitlements and quotas. In the next section, we will explore the BTP cockpit, the central management console and user interface for accessing SAP BTP. We will learn how to set up both a trial account and an enterprise sub account with examples such as configuring the SAP integration suite or setting up SAP build version. We will also see how the same setup can be streamlined using boosters. Next, in the BTP account structure section, we will learn how global accounts, directories, and sub accounts fit together. We will walk through creating directories and sub accounts, subscribing to applications, and setting up service instances along with the service keys inside a sub account. Moving on to BTP connectivity, we will dive into destination services and connectivity services. We will see how to set up the cloud connector, installing the cloud connector, and adding BTP sub accounts to cloud connector and configuring on premise systems for access control. We will also explore the different types of destinations and the various ways to create them and their use cases. Coming up in BTP security and authorizations, we will dive into role collections and how to create custom role collections and assigning the role collections to users and user groups. We will also see how to enable SAP Cloud Identity Services and establish the trust configuration between SAP BTP sub-account and SAP Cloud Identity Services. In this section, we will learn how to enable the Cloud Transport Management Service CTMS in BTP and configure CTMS for both Integration Suite and Build Version. Using the BTP Usage Analytics dashboard, we will see how to monitor the BTP usage and keep track of BTP cost. Among the wide range of BTP services, we will explore some important services. In the next section, we will take a deep dive into different environments and explore various methods of BTP administration using CLI, command line interface, APIs, and Joule. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more SAP BTP learning content. See you in next video. Thank you.